Welcome back everyone to the channel, and I'm sharing the series Plants in My Balcony. Of a data which has been released by several agencies, 7 out of 10 millennials consider themselves as plant parents. And when you are a plant parent, your plant is growing well and suddenly a pest comes. So you know the feeling how there are butterflies in stomach and you don't like the pest at all because it's going to harm your plant, which is just a baby. So in this episode, we are going to discuss one very simple pesticide which we can make from the simple ingredients from our home. And what I am using is eucalyptus oil. Now this is this eucalyptus oil, an essential eucalyptus oil, which is easily available in medical stores, and you can use it for this purpose. From the various studies done, eucalyptus oil have a role to play in protection of crop against molds, mildews, wood rot fungi, and it is also a potential to manage weeds, the unwanted plants that grow in our balconies, in our pots, in the farm. So the weeds also can be controlled by the eucalyptus oil. This oil basically is made from the leaves of a tree called as eucalyptus, and it is extracted and diluted. It is also used in many human diseases like wounds, cold sores, arthritis, skin ulcers. But now we are going to use this eucalyptus oil in making a simple pesticide. So what we need today, we need a eucalyptus oil, we need a mild detergent, we need coconut oil. You can also use canola if you want, but I'm using coconut oil and water. That's it. We don't need anything. I'm repeating. We need eucalyptus oil. We need a mild detergent or a soap detergent, whatever, a mild shampoo if you want to use, and coconut oil. And these three will be mixed in water and it will act as a very good pesticide. So I'm taking almost 5 ml. This spoon is almost equal to 5 ml of oil, eucalyptus oil, and we are going to put a gentle mild shampoo, say about 1.5 spoons, so it would be something around 7 ml, and then we are going to add coconut oil. We don't want to add much, so it would be like, because I don't have many plants to cater to, so I'm using almost like 1.5 spoon, which accounts for about 7 ml of coconut oil. So we have mixed eucalyptus oil 5 ml, then detergent or shampoo, a mild shampoo that you want to have, and we have added coconut oil. You can also use canola oil if you want. And then we are going to add water, because oil doesn't mix up with water. So whenever we have to spray it, we have to mix it well so that the layers of water and oil doesn't separate out. So this pesticide is ready. Because of the pungent smell which comes from the eucalyptus, there are many pests which gets repelled by its smell. It is believed that this spray is very good for aphids, white flies, mites, and is ideal for earwigs, slugs, snails, and slaters. You can spray this for, say, about after three days or so, or maybe 5 days or so apart, and you can repeat whenever it is you feel like that the pests are still there. Or you can also increase the concentration if the number of pests are just too high in your balcony or in your plant. So the concentration can be added depending on the number of pests present in your house. It can be used on roses, on tomatoes, cucumbers, strawberries, etc. And even this is very effective against cockroaches, fleas, mosquitoes, and flies. So what is left? Now I just have to, whatever the mixture I have made, repeating again, the eucalyptus oil, a mild detergent, coconut oil, and water. We are going to put it into a spray bottle so that it is easy to be sprayed on the plants wherever we see pest. So the mixture has, we have put it into a spray bottle, a small spray bottle, and I'm putting it on my indoor plants. So you can see it is not, because it is non-toxic to humans, and I wanted just shake it well so that the oil mixes up nicely. And I'm also putting on my indoor plant, so you can see, because it doesn't have any side effects. The eucalyptus oil is believed to be very, very medicinally good for humans, and it also provides a very good aroma to your living space. So I am providing this to all my indoor plants kept in the living room, so that there is no pest infestation. Even if the pest, you don't see the pest, you can do it like once in a month to prevent the growth of pest on your plants. Hope you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe if you like the content, and please put in your suggestions so that we can work upon them. Thank you for watching.